Have you ever wondered what the most expensive weapons in the world are? Today, we'll dive into some of the most mind-blowing military machines ever built, from gigantic artillery to stealth bombers and even billion-dollar drones. Let's get started.
A. Most expensive artillery, Schwerer Gustav. This German supergun was the largest artillery piece in history. It weighed an unbelievable 1,350 tons and cost 7 million Reichsmarks at the time, around $500 million today. But here's the crazy part. It required 4,000 men and an entire week just to set it up. Imagine being attacked and saying, "Hold on, give us 7 business days before we fire back." B. Most expensive bomber, B-2 Spirit bomber. Price tag? A staggering $2.1 billion. But it's not just expensive for show. Thanks to its stealth coating and unique shape, it's nearly invisible to radar. Imagine flying something the size of a football field and the radar says, "We didn't see anything." That's next-level technology. And remember, this aircraft was designed in the 1980s, yet it's still one of the most advanced bombers today. C. Most expensive nuclear bomb, the Tsar bomba. At 50 megatons, it was 3,000 times more powerful than the bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. If those bombs were the size of a car, the Tsar bomba would be the size of a skyscraper. Its estimated cost? Between $50 and $200 million per unit. D. Most expensive fighter jet, F-22 Raptor. The upgraded F-22 Raptor takes the crown as the most expensive fighter jet at $350 million per unit. That's 3 times more than the F-35. Its stealth tech is so secret the US banned foreign sales. To operate it, $85,000 per hour. It even has an AI system that learns and gets smarter the more it flies. And yes, this is the jet that shot down the Chinese spy balloon in 2023. E. Most expensive battleship, Yamato. Meet the Yamato, the largest battleship ever built. It cost 140 million yen in World War II, which would be over $6 billion today. With a length of 263 meters and armor thicker than half a meter, no ammunition at the time could penetrate it. Its main gun alone would cost 200 million today. F. Most expensive ICBM, RS-28 Sarmat, or Satan II, is the most expensive intercontinental ballistic missile, costing around $150 million. It's as big as a Boeing 737, travels at Mach 25, and can strike anywhere on Earth from Russia. Basically, you cannot run from it. If we include auctions, the crown goes to a Colt single-action army tied to Billy the Kid, sold for over $6 million, with the winning bid placed over the phone by someone who preferred to stay anonymous. Imagine buying history and not even showing up to pick it up. On rifles, meet the Victrix Armaments Corvus, around $50,000. Aircraft-grade aluminum and titanium keep it strong yet light, built for precision that makes long-range shots feel unfair. If auctions count, the headline is a Winchester Model 1886 with serial number 1, sold for $1.26 million. First of its kind, priced like a museum piece, because it basically is. For naval don't you dare energy, there's the Goalkeeper's CIWS. Think of it as the overprotective mom of warships. Detects the incoming missile, tracks it, and then erases the problem with 30mm fire. Protection at this level costs about $20 million. because peace of mind isn't cheap at sea. Anti-tank? The FGM-148 Javelin runs about $450,000 for the full system. It's fire and forget. Lock, shoot, relocate. An infrared seeker and smart guidance do the rest. Old RPGs ask you to babysit the rocket. Javelin says, I'll find the target myself.
Heavy lift champ, the CH-53K, roughly $144 million each. Payload, 40,000 pounds. Need to move a small house, a tank, or theoretically a whale? This is your ride. With a combined output around 22,000 horsepower, it's basically a flying tow truck that eats gravity for breakfast.
Machine guns don't usually come with a chair, unless it's the KPV. This 14.5mm beast is so big, operators literally sit to run it. Length 2.2 meters, weight around 110 pounds, and a price near $100,000. It's the heavyweight champion of gas-operated guns.
Drones? At the top of our list sits the RQ-170 Sentinel at an estimated $600 million. Massive wingspan, stealth coatings like a mini B-2, advanced AI, and a radar signature that wants to be invisible. Park it next to an MQ-9 Reaper and it still looks like the future.
Shotguns? The Krieghoff K80 can run just under $150,000 and up to $140,000 with fancy wooden engraving. If auctions enter the chat, Teddy Roosevelt's double barrel has sold 3 times, peaking at $862,000. Even a century later, the Rough Rider still pulls numbers.
And for tanks, the Leopard 2A8, about $30 million. It packs advanced armor, an AI-assisted fire control system, and the Trophy Active Protection Suite that spots incoming threats and swats them mid-air. It's like having a bodyguard for your bodyguard on tracks.
From billion-dollar bombers to tanks that cost more than mansions, the price of modern warfare is mind-blowing. Which one of these weapons shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more crazy facts about history and technology.